Hey guys, this is Neeraj. Welcome to my channel. I'm posting this quick video to share the crude oil related mystery. The prices have gone into negative. It's all over the news. It's everywhere on the internet. And what is happening? People are getting confused. People are pinging me. Will crude be available for free? What will happen? Is it true? What is it all about? So I'll clarify that. Just go through the disclaimer. Okay, so one thing that you have to understand is crude prices didn't go into negative. Crude prices based contracts, which were future contracts in the New York commodity exchange, have gone negative. What it means is, I've been telling you guys that a price of any commodity or anything is on the basis of demand and supply, right? If there's demand for anything, the prices will go up. If there's no demand, supply is more, then the prices will go down, as simple. So for example, the prices of water, you never imagined 20-25 years back that you will buy a liter of water or a 20-liter can for a price of 80 rupees and a 1 liter bottle at 20 rupees, right? Now that the demand has gone up, everyone wants to have safe drinking water. The water as a commodity is being sold, right? Likewise is for the crude, and likewise is for the crude contract, right? So crude future contract. So crude prices haven't gone into negative. Crude future contract has gone into negative. Now, why that has gone into negative is, today was the expiry. That means those contracts were expiring today. Now, what happens at the end of the expiry of a contract is you either pay the difference of the amount. So, whatever price you bought the contract at and whatever price you are selling at, you have to pay the difference of that amount, or you have to take delivery of crude, buy crude. Okay, so now buying crude is not easy, right? You cannot overnight take 100 barrels of crude for one lot and keep it with you, right? It's not possible. And storage across the world has gone full. So every country, everywhere, there's no storage space left because everybody has already bought a lot of crude because the prices were low. So now this loophole, this is my hypothesis, this loophole is being leveraged by the big players, wherein they have all of a sudden dumped in the contracts, and at the end, like, you don't have time, it's expiring today, so you have to make a decision. And the only point that the only area left, or the decision left, option left, is to pay the difference in the contract pricing, right? That is what has happened. So it's only the current month contracts that went negative, right? I guess it went to minus 28 odd dollars. But then crude prices are positive. Crude prices are trading somewhere around $18-20. And for the matter of fact, I'll show you next month contract pricing. So this is crude WTI futures from US, right? This is US commodity, and this is next month's contract. So it opened gap up today at $24, have been moving down, and currently it is somewhere around $21.50, right? So it's not negative. It was just last month, or whatever has expired will be expiring today. Those contracts have gone into negative. I hope that clarifies. And I have been posting videos about these gimmicks. Some time back, there was People's Bank of China thing that was spreading over news. The way the headlines are written, the way the rumors, or I would say the information is sent, is a little, I would say, is wrong, is not the actual right way of spreading that information, right? Just to sensationalize it, just to create an hype, the headlines are so. So I hope I could clarify. Thanks for watching. Please do share with others.